Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. We have a product review. Something simple but really practical. I have this from the company named Qunsunus. This is gonna be a windshield and side mirrors cover, especially for this time of the year when it's really cold, but you can use it when it's really hot as well. Super practical, especially for my Accord, always sits outside, and my truck always sits inside. So I'm gonna mount it on the Accord because on the mornings when I have to leave and get on the car, it took me a minute to clean the windshield and mirrors. With this, I can put it on at night, and then when I have to get up in the morning, the car is ready to go because the windshield is not gonna have ice, and the side mirrors, which sometimes you're in a hurry, you need to get up and go. This is gonna be practical. This cover has magnetic edges, waterproof. It's gonna be sun visor protector, and also anti-theft because you can lock it with the doors. It's gonna fit most cars and trucks. Let me put it on the car. Let's see how it looks. And tomorrow morning we're gonna continue this episode. It has these straps, so the bottom part is not gonna blow with the wind. Cool thing, it has reflectors in here, and the flaps, they're gonna go inside. It's gonna cover your windshield wipers as well, in case that you have snow or really thick ice. Everything's gonna be protected for sun, snow, ice. Lighting is not really good right now, but you're gonna see it in the morning once we see how much ice we get on the car. The next day, it was ice really early this morning. Okay, so that's the cover right there. Really useful. Now the windshield and the mirrors, they're clean. I don't have to clean anything, and I can just drive away. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Link is gonna be in the description for this windshield cover. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.